Lantana yung mga to, oh. Ang ganda naman nito. Anong plants to? Ang ganda ng orchid. So, wood. Ooh! Cabbage. You want cabbage? Is not for this time.
Where is cabbage?
This is cabbage, right?
It's not cabbage.
It is cabbage. It's broccoli. Sorry.
Nice cauliflower.
Yeah, but it's over already. This one. See see how much is this? My goodness. See how expensive it is? Ooh, these are nice. $5. Ganda nito. 5 piso. 6 bucks. Nice then. Ang gaganda naman nito, oh. Ito yung gusto mo, oh. Pero parehas din. 5. Parang mga gradiola. Ayan, oh. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, andito pala to, oh. Ayan. Maliliit lang siya, oh. Magkano naman kaya to? Anong pangalan nito? C1. Galing, oh. This is $1. You want? Shall I get this one or that one? The one without flower?
You want to take one flower or one flower?
Either you want to take this, like that, you put like that. Okay, keep this there. Oh, this one too. This is beautiful. Oh, you know what? I like this one. But what flower is this? What kind of flower? It's gonna be like that.
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, red, I think. Okay, that's it. That's it. This is blueberry. These are good. Actually.
Plants, huh?
I know, huh? These are how much?
Raspberry.
$6.97. They're gonna raise up later on this one.
They're all $6.97.
I know. These are good.
Those they come like bush, like roses.
Nice. Really nice. They don't have mulberry?
Mulberry, I don't think so.
This one. Charcoal. Oh, it's nice. This one better.
With the wood there, you put the wood there, I think.
Just close it.
See?
Oh, nice. Oh. Okay.
It's not strong, but
not bad. Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad. No more gas. Don't eat gas. Guys. Ayan guys, so maglalakad lang sana kami. Nakabili na naman kami ng ng mga plants. Ay nako.
What are you gonna do when we have our house?
I know. Kaya ay nako. Mahilig din si Jojo ng magtanim-tanim. So we all have those. It's okay. We have all those. Ayan, maglakad-lakad lang sana kami. Nakabili na naman kami ng ng mga konting gamit. Oh, be careful. konting gamit sa bahay, mga ganun. Ay, walang trabaho ngayon si Jojo, kaya nakalabas kami guys. Normally hindi ako lumalabas, nag-garden na lang ako. Ay naku guys, tingnan nyo naman na naging 9 na, dati 4 lang yan guys. Oh, bango. Mahilig si Jojo ng mga ganyan. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, mabango din itong apple eh. Kaso, yeah. It's like shampoo. The smell is like shampoo. Pero hindi tayo bibili ngayon ng ng candle guys. Okay na yung natin sa bahay. Beautiful, beautiful. Ito rin, nakapack na. Maganda rin. I need the one string, like string. Rubber. Oh, these ones.
Yeah, those.
But they don't have the round one.
Only this.
That's too small. It's gonna break. I think this is okay. This can fit. Why this is too expensive? I don't understand. I think this is fine, but I'll take 2 just in case. I don't wanna fix it. Okay, let's go. شفتي هدول؟ Okay, let's go, Baba.
That's it? Okay.
Oh. Be sure idaan doon. Guys, hindi sana kami magma-market. Ito ang masama pag lumalabas tayo guys. Bumibili tayo ng kung ano-ano na syempre alam mo naman sa bahay laging may kailangan Ayan, kagaya lang last time bumili yung si Jojo nito sabi ko wag yung may ganyan. Bumili siya kasi wala yung kailangan namin. Bumili siya ng ganyan. Oh, badak sa gabi. Ayun, next week na lang daw yung Gagawa sana kami ng paborito ni Kuya na yung pagkain nila na ginigrill na with wheat tsaka tawag nila kibbe. Gusto ni Kuya ko dadalhin niya daw pag alis niya kasi mayroon silang outing ng mga kaibigan niya. So sa maaga pa naman, so next week na lang. Ayan, okay, pauwi na tayo guys. Tingnan ko lang kung saan pa tayo dadalhin ni Jojo. Kasi pag nasa bahay, naboboard siya. Naboboard ka diba? Naboboard siya pag nasa bahay. So, ayun, ikot-ikot kami. Bigla tuloy bumili. Uwi na tayo guys. Tingnan nyo naman, may kumain pa dyan. Ano ba yan? Siniksik na lang dyan, Minsan, mga customer din, kung saan-saan na lang nilagay. Hi guys. Kararating lang namin dito ngayon. Nagpapagas ulit kami. Si kuya nandoon sa loob. Ang hangin guys, ang lamig. Oh my gosh. Yung hangin ang nagdadala ng ano ng lamig. Kasi nanggagaling doon sa sa taas. Oh, ang bilis naman kuya oh. Tapos dumaan lang kami doon sa Walmart, may pinabili si Jojo. May panabili siya, so pumunta kami saglit tapos dumaan kami ulit dito. Tapos pauwi na. Anong oras na? What time now? It's 10? 9:45? Yeah. Mag-aalas 10 na guys. Oh, ano ba yan? Grabe. Tapos mamaya antok-antokin na ako guys. Kaya minsan hindi na ako nakaka-attend ng premiere kasi antok na ako noon. Antok na ako noon guys. Oh. Kaya nako, pasensya na kayo guys. Salamat sa mga nagsusupport. Talaga ay nako. Kasi gabi na oh. Dilim na, sa lamig pa, antokin ka talaga. Pagkatapos mo, siyempre kakain pa kami Pagkatapos mong kumain ba naman antok na antok ka na guys. So minsan talagang minsan di na ako kumakain pag antok, parang pagod na pagod ka ba ganun. Alright, let's go. May binigay yung kaibigan nating Amex. Ayan oh. Nabuksan ko na, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Kandila siya guys. Ini guys, ang bango. Ayan. Ayan o. So, titingnan natin. Mabango siya. See? I-try daw natin. Pero sabi ko bakit talagang nilagay niya sa full oh. Minsan yung nabibili natin hanggang doon lang. Ang bango. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda.